you know good and doggone well, success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. But you keep hearing that knock at your door, and you refuse to get up. You refuse to answer that knock. Do you know what that knock is? The knock is success. That knock is greatness. That knock is your destiny. So what you gonna do? Sink or swim? Fight or run? Give up or get after it? This is your moment, bro. This is your moment, sis. And I need you to go get it. I need you to start with the will. I need you to start with the passion. I need you to dig deep, deeper than you ever have before. You keep talking about what you gonna do. Stop talking about it and be about it. You say you want something? Then go get it. Period. Exclamation point. I want you to have everything that you want, but you can't have anything unless you get up and give more than you ever had before, unless you do something that other people refuse to do, unless you are crazy with it. And what I mean by that is that you give more, you do more, you put in so much work, you put in so much time, you put in so much effort, that people look at you like you're strange. People look at you like you're not of this earth. But you're just giving birth to your dream. You're giving birth to your desire. You're giving birth to your masterpiece. And you know it's not gonna be easy. The resilient mindset understands you have to go through your worst to get to the best. But you a go-getter, and you gonna go get it. Just when other people quit, just when other people wanna give up, that's when you're just getting started. And you leave them in the dust. And they see you on that winning stand. They see you getting that gold ring. They see you getting that gold ball. They see you getting the accolades. And they wish they had your drive. They wish they had what you had inside of you, which is a burning desire, which is a burning passion to go get what is rightfully yours, to turn that dream into a reality. And when they ask you, how did you arrive at your desired destination, the next level? You just say, I never dreamed about it. I never pouted about it. I never whined about it. I got my butt up and I grinded and I worked for it. And I gave every ounce of my heart, every ounce of my soul, every ounce of my being. I knew the most reliable way to predict the future was for me to create it. So I went and got it. Go get it, bro. Go get it, sis. The first rule in life: if you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. This is your time to shine. But the only way you can achieve your desired outcome is for you, my friend, to go get it. This is a great day to win. To be outstanding, you must get comfortable with being uncomfortable. The only time you're actually growing is when you're uncomfortable. Embrace it. Great things never came from comfort zones. Great people never came from comfort zones. When you catch yourself saying, I'm tired. When you catch yourself saying, this is uncomfortable. When you catch yourself saying, I don't know if I can take no more. When you catch yourself saying, I don't know if I can do this anymore. When you catch yourself saying, I've never been in this place before. When you catch yourself saying things like that, that's when all the magic is happening. That's when you're watering your seeds of greatness. And it'll all come back when you really, really need it. Because when the chips are down, before, you might have thrown in the towel. But now, ever since you embrace your uncomfort, you have an extra gear that you can kick in. You have more inner strength. You have more passion. You have more will, which means you have more power. Yeah, I know it's uncomfortable. But anyone who has grown mentally, anyone who has grown physically, anyone who has grown spiritually knows that growth is not found in comfort. Growth is messy and full of feelings that you never were expecting. But that feeling, when you break through your threshold, that feeling, when you push past your previous limits, it's placing you in a position to achieve greatness at a level that you never thought was possible. The next level awaits, but you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. Yeah, you will feel some type of way. Yeah, you will want to throw in the towel. Yeah, you will want to quit. But those that can power through and find a way to fall in love with that uncomfortable feeling are those that receive love back from the universe in the form of greatness, in the form of massive success, in the form of living life on their own terms. Embrace the uncomfort. It may get tough, but that's a small price to pay to live the life of your dreams. This is a great day to win. I was surfing on the internet, came across this quote. It said, let them sleep while you grind. Let them party while you work. And one day, I promise, I guarantee, the difference will show. And you don't even have to talk about it. I like to hustle in silence and let my success make all the noise. Let my success scream loud. Rise and grind. And in due time, you will find yourself climbing up that ladder, ascending the next level greatness. I want you to understand that behind every successful person, there's a lot, and I mean a lot, of unsuccessful years. You gotta take the L's. You gotta take the setbacks. You gotta take the failures. But the true champions, the true winners, the next level residers, the high performers, they understand that without setbacks, without failures, there would be no them. It's all a part of the journey. It's all a part of the ride. And they take pride in overcoming everything that they went through to break through and arrive at next level success, which was the ultimate goal. Don't waste a single day. Hustle like you have no tomorrow. Because you never know. You just might not. But what you do have is this moment right now to put in the work, to put in the sweat, to put in the hustle, to give every ounce of you. So one day you can wake up and do exactly what you want to do. You don't get it. If you embrace the uncomfort today, tomorrow you will be living in comfort. Don't expect people to understand your grind, though, because God didn't give them your vision. Stop making excuses and make results. Separate your body from your mind and grind and grind and grind. Because you're grinding your way to greatness. Greatness lives in you. But you gotta go out and get it. When they talking about it, you're doing it. While they take breaks, you keep taking action. And the day will come when you achieve massive satisfaction. Look in the mirror. That's your competition. You keep grinding. You keep showing up and showing out. Because on the other side of the pain, on the other side of the struggle, is the life of your dreams. You're grinding your way to the greatness that's already yours. You just gotta go get it. This is a great day.